Hey there, welcome back to Luxefluent, where we will be sharing with you the latest trends in luxury and lifestyle. And for today's video, we will be talking about more of Dubai's richest people. So make sure to subscribe and hit the notification bell so you will be updated whenever we upload new videos. You can also be easily notified of any new content as they get released. With that said, let's continue. Number 1. Sheikha Mahra. Sheikha Mahra bin Mohammed bin Rashid Al Maktoum, known as the Princess of Dubai, holds several roles as a humanitarian worker, businesswoman, and social media influencer. Her social media presence is adorned with captivating images, showcasing her in elegant regalia, either in serene solitude or at significant events. At the age of 28, her estimated net worth stands at approximately $300 million. Possessing substantial wealth, she is known to switch cars on a monthly basis and travels between countries utilizing her private jet. She shares her father's and other members of the Dubai royal family's affinity for exotic birds and horses. Having received a top-tier education at a prestigious academy for royals in Dubai, she further pursued her studies in London. Presently, she is enrolled at the esteemed American University in Dubai, continuing her pursuit of knowledge. Number 2. Philip Day. Based in Dubai, the British tycoon boasts an impressive net worth of $1.2 billion. Overseeing a diverse portfolio of businesses, Philip Edward Day's entrepreneurial drive emerged early on, as he took on multiple part-time jobs even during his student years. Bucking out the traditional path, he opted out of pursuing higher education and embarked on his career in the clothing industry. His talent and commitment did not go unnoticed, as he was soon handpicked to join Aquascutum, a renowned luxury clothing manufacturer, ultimately rising to the esteemed position of managing director at the age of 28. Presently, at 57 years old, the billionaire magnate has successfully acquired a host of prominent companies, including the Edinburgh Woolen Mill Group, Pond & Mill, Rosabees, ProQuip, Jane Norman, Austin Reed, Country Casuals, Jaeger, Bond March, and Peacocks. Number 3. Saket Berman. While some individuals create their own wealth, others find themselves building upon the success of their family's fortune. Saket Berman falls into the latter category as a fifth-generation member of the illustrious Saket Berman clan. The family business, Dabur, stands as one of India's largest consumer goods companies, renowned for its wide range of products including the popular herbal toothpaste. Following the passing of his father in 2015, Saket inherited a minority stake of approximately 12% in the company, along with a coveted seat on the board of directors. Presently serving as the vice chair of Dabur International, Saket Berman's ventures extend beyond the realm of consumer goods, encompassing investments in real estate and finance. At 46 years old, he completed his elementary education in India before obtaining a bachelor's degree in marketing and finance from the esteemed University of Wisconsin-Madison. With a remarkable net worth of $1.6 billion, Saket Berman, born in India, now enjoys residences in Dubai, Delhi, and London. Number 4. Thaksin Shinawatra. What led to the remarkable transformation of a former prime minister from another country into one of the wealthiest individuals in Dubai? The journey of Thaksin Shinawatra, a former prime minister of Thailand, took an unexpected turn when he relocated to the Arab nation over a decade ago, following a military coup that ousted him and imposed restrictions on his political involvement. While his political career may have been overshadowed, Shinawatra's entrepreneurial spirit always shone through. Even during his early days as a police officer, he displayed a keen business acumen, venturing into various enterprises alongside his wife. Though these initial attempts faced setbacks and left him burdened with debt, Shinawatra's unwavering determination propelled him forward. One of his notable ventures was the establishment of a cable television network. Today, with an astounding net worth of $2.1 billion, he has achieved remarkable success in the business realm. Notably, Shinawatra is the visionary behind Advanced Info Service, a prominent mobile operations firm, and Shin Corporation, an influential IT and telecommunications company, among other prosperous endeavors. Number 5. Mohammed Khalaf Al Habtoor. Leading the way at the Al Habtoor Group, Mohammed Khalaf Al Habtoor holds the prestigious positions of Vice President and CEO, overseeing a family business that boasts a multi-billion-dollar empire. Having received his early education in Dubai, Al Habtoor embarked on a journey of higher learning in the United States. There, he pursued numerous degrees and certifications in the fields of business and hospitality, earning accolades from esteemed institutions such as the ATI Career Institute, University of Surrey, University of Slough, and Cornell University. Under his astute leadership, the Al Habtoor Group has experienced exponential growth and remarkable advancements. with the establishments of prominent ventures like the Al Habtoor City, Al Habtoor Business Tower, Waldorf Astoria of Dubai malljumeirah, and Al Habtoor Polo Resort and Club. With an impressive net worth of approximately $2 billion, Mohammed Khalaf Al Habtoor has cemented his position as a formidable force in the business world. Before we continue, which of the success stories we mentioned resonates with you the most? We'd love to hear your thoughts in the comments below. After that, let's proceed. Number 6. Shamshir Farooqi. Shamshir Farooqi, the founder and CEO of Burjeel Holdings, has made remarkable strides in the business world. With an early education and medical degree obtained in India, he further honed his expertise by completing a radiology fellowship at the Massachusetts General Hospital in Boston, USA. Upon his return to the United Arab Emirates, Farooqi worked as a radiologist before venturing into entrepreneurship and establishing his own hospital. Today, VPS Healthcare, under his leadership, has expanded into a network of over 23 hospitals and 100 medical centers across 4 countries. Farooqi's influence extends beyond his business endeavors, as he actively participates in various medical and educational institutions, serving as a member of the UAE Medical Council, an advisory committee member of the University of Sharjah College of Medicine, and a board member of Abu Dhabi University. With a net worth of $2.6 billion, he has also invested in other notable firms such as Amarnath Holdings and Response Plus Holdings. Number 7. Saif Al Ghurair. The establishment of the Al Ghurair Group in 1960 marked the beginning of an impressive entrepreneurial journey. Primarily focused on real estate and steel manufacturing, the conglomerate expanded its business interests to encompass banking, retail, and the hospitality sector. A significant milestone was achieved in 2004 with the opening of the second Berman Center, one of Dubai's oldest shopping malls. In 2006, Saif Al Ghurair spearheaded the merger of Dubai Polyfilm, Egypt Technopack, and Oman's AKP, resulting in the creation of Taglif Industries, the largest manufacturer of polypropylene films used for lamination and food packaging. Before his passing in 2019 at the age of 95, this visionary billionaire amassed a net worth of approximately $3 billion. His sons have since taken over the reins, ensuring the continuation of his remarkable legacy. Number 8. B.R. Shetty. Bhavaguthu Raghuram Shetty, an accomplished Indian-born businessman, made a significant impact in Dubai after his arrival in 1973. Recognizing the need for improved healthcare, he established a medical center in 1975, which has now evolved into the largest healthcare provider in the UAE, serving millions of patients worldwide. In 2003, Shetty also founded Neopharma, a renowned pharmaceutical company dedicated to manufacturing affordable, high-quality drugs and advancing research methodologies. Furthermore, he assumed leadership of the UAE Exchange in 1980, facilitating easier money transfers for expatriates to support their families back home. With operations spanning over 30 countries, Shetty's entrepreneurial acumen has left an indelible mark. With a remarkable net worth of $3.1 billion, this business magnate is actively engaged in philanthropic endeavors as well. Number 9. Abdul Aziz Al Ghurair. Presenting another billionaire hailing from the Al Ghurair family, this individual assumes the role of chairman at Mashreq Bank, while also serving on the board of directors for the Al Ghurair Group of companies. With a substantial net worth of $4.8 billion, he actively engages in philanthropy and development initiatives within the Emirati region. His notable contributions encompass a $1.1 billion commitment to the Abdullah Al Ghurair Foundation for Education, as well as monetary support for organizations such as the UAE Disabled Sports Federation, UNICEF, and UNESCO. Having obtained a degree in industrial engineering from the California Polytechnic State University, Al Ghurair commenced his career in 1977. Throughout his tenure, he has diligently overseen the expansion of Mashreq Bank, establishing new branches across various countries. From 1990 onwards, he held the position of CEO for over 3 decades, leading the Emirati Bank to numerous achievements, including pioneering the launch of ATMs and innovative financial service in the United Arab Emirates. Number 10. Pavel Durov. If you've ever pondered the identity of the owner behind the popular social media platform Telegram, look no further than Pavel Durov. As per Forbes, Durov holds the distinction of being the wealthiest individual in the United Arab Emirates, boasting a staggering net worth of $15.1 billion. Originally from Russia, he has now made Dubai his permanent residence. Durov's tech journey commenced in 2006 with the co-founding of VKontakte. However, he encountered controversies when he refused to remove certain high-profile pages and disclosed the personal information of VK's users. Consequently, he was ousted as CEO in 2014. Undeterred, Durov relocated from Russia and dedicated himself to the development of another platform, Telegram, which presently enjoys immense popularity with over 600 million users. He has established the headquarters of Telegram in Dubai, where he resides alongside his 2 children. Thank you for joining us today. Remember to get fluent, stay fluent by hitting that subscribe button and turning on notifications. We'll see you in the next one.